What up, YouTube, man? We about to get active real quick. We're gonna get active with 2 VQ. Got one in the front and one in the back, man. I don't know if y'all can see it. We're about to go for a little cruise, so y'all stay tuned, man. Having a little fun today. We're at Mexico, by the way. Another VQ. Yes, sir. We about to hit the freeway though, no cap. Turn my traction off first. Gotta do that. Bro, I forgot to record, I ain't gonna lie, cause it was moving a little too quick. Shit, look at that RT right there, that thing look clean. 6th gen RT. Alright, there it is. Okay, clean. Exit right here, I forgot about it. Yeah, we got Mustang. I think that's a V6 though. You right there behind it. We're gonna do a little cut up, so y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna give you a little cut up, cutting up some traffic. I see another Infinity up there, a white one. I think that might be a G35. Y'all feel me? Oh shit, we got another vehicle right there, boy. Oh shit. I gotta wait for my boys, man. I gotta slow down. I gotta wait for my boys. Sir. Told you I was gonna get a little active. Oh, that boy going crazy in the back. He coming up though. Slow driver need to move out of the way, man. Traffic. You gotta turn. Damn, been full throttle, man. Thing's loud. we actually headed to a restaurant right now. We're gonna be trying out some food, some that we haven't tried. Bro, I got no cash on me, fam. What I get? Give him some for real. Oh, I got some quarters. I'm gonna give him everything I got. Hey man, I got some quarters. I got some coins. Yeah, I got some coins if you want. Ah, crap. Give me a second, yo. Thanks, man. There we go. Hey, man, if I had cash, I would give you some. You right? All right, I'll be careful. I'll be careful. I got you. Thanks for looking out, man. If I had some cash on me, I would have given him, yeah, but shit, I lost it. I lost my buddy, man. I don't know where he go. Where did he go? I lost him, yeah. I'm gonna have to pause the video here for a minute, cause I need to find where he went. Find out where he goes. Give me a sec. Bro, my boy lost his front splitter while cutting up. It flew off on the freeway. But there it is, man. We're here to try some, African food for us. It's gonna be my first time trying that shit. We'll see you in a bit, man. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get for the African food. What you think, man? Was that some lit? That shit hard? Oh man, that shit fell off and it flew and it hit the other Infinity, on the windshield. Oh, y'all can see a little mark right there. But I swear I tied that shit up, but man, we just got the front grille installed today too. Trying blacked it out pretty much. We're gonna get a different Infinity logo on it, black one. But shit, though, we're about to head in there, try some African food. Was it African or Indian? I'm gonna go try it real quick. My big ass pothole, bro. But man, we in Missouri. There it is, man. KC Burgers. African Middle Eastern food. I mean, I'm gonna be trying some African foods today, so. Man, the African food was close, so we're gonna be hitting Mexican restaurant, El Taco. So I'll see you in a bit, man. I'm sure we'll get what I get. Hey man, this give me a Chipotle vibe, I ain't gonna lie. Mexican Chipotle style, man. Hey man, look at this dude. I get a little fatter. They get a little fat too. We got some Mexican Chipotle, man. Bro, I don't know what the fuck I got, but we're gonna try it. He got some fat ass burritos. I'll show you after I'm done with this, man. Cap, yeah, we in downtown right now. I'm about to go ahead and end the video right here. Enjoy this little beautiful views. Let's do, man. And then look at him over here. Enjoy the rest of the night out here. Go ahead and end the video here, man. Hope you enjoy. See you on the next one. Peace.